Good morning. My name is Henrik Nato. I'm the CEO of IGO. First of all, I'd like to thank you for the invitation. In 2022, I had the pleasure to introduce our novel delivery system, MISCO, first time in the US at OIS. Last year, I presented some test results showing that microdosing is just as efficient as normal eye drops. Today, I'd like to share with you some test results completed with axial glaucoma patients. The way patients instill eye medication hasn't changed much for many years. The patients are still struggling with eye drop bottles, which by design causing an overdosing of medication due to the size of the drop. IGO's MISCO is a precise way of instilling microdoses of medicine, the exact amount the eye can absorb, exactly what is required and nowhere else. MISCO is a user-friendly superior alternative to normal eye drops. It is designed to help patients to administer the eye medication precisely and comfortably. And you can have your head in any positions. MISCO is a device living up to consumer requirements for product use. Precisely, MISCO instills only 6 microliters and eliminates the over-medication for normal eye drops. It's very easy to use. And MISCO also eliminates the risk of eye contamination, which often causes problems for the eye care patients. And further, MISCO is designed to be used with preservative-free eye medications. All patients in the preference study highly prefer MISCO over normal eye drops. That's the main conclusion from the study we are currently conducting with axial glaucoma patients and their medication. At this stage, 15 patients have been concluded, and it's included in the reporting I'll give you now. The study includes a total of 22 patients taking their glaucoma medication with MISCO in 14 days. The study is concluded in close cooperation with key opinion leaders and patients from esteemed eye clinic in Copenhagen. Patients rate MISCO to be very user-friendly. On a scale from 0 to 10, it got an average score of 9.5. This is compared to the normal eye drops, which have an average score of 6.3. The MISCO score with 9.5 is a statistically significant result, and the other results from MISCO I'm going to share with you is also statistically significant. Patients also rate the MIST from MISCO to be very user-comfortable. On a scale from 0 to 10, it got an average score of 9.5, compared to normal eye drops, which have an average score of 7. MISCO is perceived to solve the troubles with excess liquid. On a scale from 0 to 10, it got an average score of 9.9, compared to normal eye drops, which have an average score of 5.1. In the high-speed video at the left side, you can see the mist enter into the eye before the eye can blink. A combination of our nozzle and spray technology and the eye interface you see half here ensure the mist is delivered precisely in droplets on cornea. There's no excess liquid anywhere else. We are proud to report that all 15 patients responded that they would highly prefer MISCO over normal eye drops for treatment of their eyes. IGO is very much looking forward to help patients taking their eye medications. We believe with this device that eye clinics don't need to worry about if the patient will follow the treatment program. Patients are more likely to stay in treatment, be well treated, and limiting disease progressions. Thank you for your time and interest in IGO's latest test results. I'll be happy to enter into a dialogue about potential cooperation with IGO or investment in IGO. You're welcome to seek me out today or once you get back home. Thank you.